Welcome to the Adrian's kitchen. We are going to make in this video a delicious spaghetti with ham and cilantro. To this plate we are going to need some ham, 4 tablespoons of cream, 4 teaspoons of consomme, some cilantro, and the special ingredient, spaghetti. We are going to make this. Now we have to start with the spaghetti. First, we need to boil the water. Now we have to break the spaghetti. And we have to wait until the spaghetti is soft. Now that the spaghetti is soft, we have to spoon the spaghetti to show you that it's soft, and we have the spaghetti ready. Now we have to make the cream. Now we are going to make the cream. The cream we are going to need the 4 tablespoons of cream, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Then we need to add the consomme, 4 teaspoons, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to stir the cream. And then we are going to warm the cream. Ready. We have to wait 2 minutes till the cream is all ready. While we are going to cut the ham and the cilantro. To the ham we are going to cut a little pieces like this, and then we are going to keep the cilantro like this, and just have to mix the ingredients. Now that the ingredients are ready, just have to mix the ingredients. First we need to have stir the cream every time while we add ingredients. The first ingredient we have to add is the spaghetti. We add it with very careful, and then we keep stirring. Then we have to add the ham with careful, and stir the mix. Then we have to sprinkle the cilantro. And stir a little more. When the spaghetti is ready, you just wait to 2 minutes and warm the mix, and the spaghetti will be ready. When the spaghetti is finished, you can see this. Now we just have to flatten. You can see this. Delicious. Now we are going to make a chicken with a red sausage. For this food we are going to need a chicken thigh, 3 teaspoons of consomme, 3 tablespoons of cream, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and 1 chile guajillo. We're going to start. To make the chicken, first we need to fry the chicken tight. We put it in a frying pan. Then we are going to warm the frying pan. And we have to wait 4 or 5 minutes to the chicken thigh is ready. While the chicken thigh is ready, we are going to start with the sausage. Now we are going to make the sausage. For the sausage, we are going to roast the tomatoes, the onion and the chile guajillo for 2-3 minutes. It's hot, be careful. Now we are going to put it into the blender, like this, all the ingredients. 2 tomatoes, 1 onion and 1 chile guajillo. Now we are going to turn on the blender. We have to add some water, excuse me, like a half cup of water. Now we turn on the blender. Now the sausage is ready. We have to bring the... Be careful, it's hot. We have to bring the chicken. Here we turn a little bit more the blender. Now the sausage is ready. We have to use a strainer to put the sausage in the chicken. Be careful and do it slowly. You can see like this. Move the strainer a little bit. And when you put all the sausage into the chicken, now you put all the sausage into the chicken, you put this here, and you have to add 3 tablespoons of cream, like this. And 3. And now you have to let it warm, let it boil for 15 minutes, and the chicken with a red sausage will be ready. Now we see that the chicken it's over, it's ready to eat. Now just have to plating. We put the chicken into a plate and then we pour the sausage. Look at this. It smells very delicious. It's ready. Look at this. Now we're going to make a chocolate cake. For this, we're going to need a special flour of chocolate, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of oil. We're going to start. To make the chocolate cake, first we need to add the flour into a bowl. All the flour. Then we have to break the eggs. No problem. And 3. Now we have to add the 1 1/3 cup of water, and the 1/3 cup of oil. Then just have to mix the ingredients with an electric mixer. Be careful. We have to mix the ingredients for 3-4 minutes. When we finish to mix the ingredients, we have to take a baking dish and then we pour the mix into it, like this. Be careful. All the mix. You can take a spoon and put it all. Then you have to spread the mix. You have to spread the mix and it's ready. You just have to go to the oven. Now. Come on. Now we open the oven and we are going to bake the cake for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. We just have to wait. Now we take out the cake from the oven and now we are going to cut a piece of cake. Now we are going to take out the piece and taste it. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy the recipes. See you later.